everyone, I'm Dr. Padmavathy from Teach Connect. I'm a quality education specialist. Competency-focused questions is a booklet released by CBSE. Competency-based education, which is taught in the classroom, will lead to competency-focused questions testing during the final examinations of CBSE. It's an awesome experience to decode the competency-focused question. Chapter number 13 is magnetic effects of electric current. Obviously, this chapter includes all higher order thinking skill questions as well as application questions. The following are the 5 important points which the student has to focus while going through this chapter. The first point, right-hand thumb rule, its application, and Fleming's right-hand rule and left-hand rule. These hand rules come as one topic. Next, the solenoid, the direction of lines of force. What's a solenoid? What is a solenoid? Comes under rote learning. Applications of solenoid comes under real life experience. Application of solenoid is what is asked in competency-focused question. Next, it is both AC motors and DC motors application and magnetic induction. And the 5th point, the child should be aware of lines of force, magnetic lines of force and the direction. The following are the 5 important points which the child has to revise from this chapter number 13, magnetic effects of electric current. The first one is right-hand thumb rule, Fleming's right-hand rule and left-hand rule. The second one, the solenoid, that is the lines of force, how the bar magnet cuts the lines of force. Next, it is both AC motor and DC motor, the application in principle. And the 4th point is magnetic induction. The student has to be thorough in this topic. The 5th one, there should be a strong knowledge on the lines of force, how the lines of force move with respect to Earth being a small bar magnet, as well as from the bar magnet itself. These are the 5 important topics. I would like to share the screen now. Chapter number 13, magnetic effects of electric current. The question, the first one obviously is induction, AC electric generator. Then this should be a right-hand thumb rule. And the induction, where is the change in the magnetism with respect to time? If a bar magnet is passed through this solenoid, what's the effect on the magnitude and the direction of the induced current? All these topics fall in connection with the 5 major points which I have told you all. This is how the scrap material someone has used for the AC electric motor. That is, we're talking about the strengths of the magnets, magnetic poles, as well as the full ring. The number of turns has to be increased in order to have a good effect on the magnetism. Then this is a complete circuit. That's Oersted is a scientist who has done this experiment. He imagined the magnetic field here and the deflection of the needle over here in the circuit when the circuit is closed. And this is the circuit scene. In which circuit will the bulb glow when the switch is closed? Are they connecting? How is the supply connected? Where is the switch? Where is the neutral wire? Where is the live wire? They switch on their circuits and change the bulbs. What will happen to the current and whose bulb is going to remain much safer? Question number 8 is very important. Observe Madhu's and Rahul's circuits shown below. There is one neutral wire connected with live wire. Question number 9. In the circuit below, in case of an overload, what's going to happen? This is a learning for the student that the fuse protects the electric oven from damage. That means the fuse will trip off. then calculations of current. Question number 10. Kanika and Himani have set up two coils P and Q. They are shown below. The only difference between the two setups is the source of electricity. One is AC source and another one is DC source. This goes into the topic where how AC and DC are different. Then it's induction stove, the real life applications over here, advantages and disadvantages. The lines of force always travel from north ending up to south. This is what we have to understand here. And how the lines of force travel from north to end up into south, and they do not intersect with each other. These are the questions which would be asked in the examination. The deflection occurs only while the magnet is pushed into the solenoid and out of the solenoid. See, the galvanometer is showing a deflection over here. When there is a deflection only when the bar magnet cuts the lines of force. The student must be very clear. And this is another magnetic induction question over here, electromagnetic induction. And question number 16 is how there is lines of force when we look at the cross section. That's a spatial knowledge also, which is tested. The teachers have to go through each and every question, connect it to the main 5 points which I have discussed. The teachers must do a bit of work here with the children. This topic is a little trickish for the children. It is higher order thinking questions will be asked over here. How the current field force, they change the direction in the right-hand thumb rule. All these have to be discussed with the students. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a wonderful experience decoding the physical science competency-focused question. Hope this video will be useful for all of you and to all those students who wish to improve their grades and touch that A+. Thank you so much.